I just went to let you in and you were not here. Chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie, and I don't care. Chicken pot pie, and I don't care. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
I'll show you
Tables.
when I come in
Okay.
because I don't want to like unpack my backpack in the hallway and I have George information.
Eric and Nick have already run away.
What?
Eric and Nick have already run away. They were there at 8:05. Click, 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 click.
I'm gonna say the cat thing works. You looked at me. I looked at you. You walked away and I just kept going out the door.
Yeah, they kept doing that too. But see, now it's almost class time.
Okay.
Whereas before I was getting ready.
Yeah, but eventually, if you're annoying enough, something will happen.
No, we don't open that door.
What does it mean?
Oh, you priority boarding, except your part, the
Yeah.
calculation of acid wasn't on there.
Oh yeah.
Do you
it's
have
on
that?
Paper.
Okay. Tables.
Oh, can you slow down? Dude, it's
Excellent
okay. I have to
calculations
check.
of
She's
your
probably
NaOH and stuff.
cold
Get
and
that
really
away.
thick white spray.
Ain't got an idea.
There's a piece of paper they didn't print.
Calculation of unknown acid.
Isn't that just something that we did on my job?
Yeah, but I didn't put it on my dog.
You don't have the concentration of your unknown acid either. You
Information.
have part 3 down there. No, so you can't calculate part 3 because you haven't done it yet.
Yeah.
But it was calculation for part 2 and 1. What is the concentration of this acid and what is the concentration of that base?
Oh,
That's what you're going to need.
that's why it was so hot.
Yeah, that, at least you have the table.
Can I come in the class?
Yeah, come in, come in.
Can you?
Where's
Look at this.
Ted?
It's calculations.
You've done something incredibly wrong.
Oh.
No, we did it together, so I have the same thing.
You have 3.85. It should come around to 0.1. And your numbers are low, right? So that's
Look
fine.
on my.
Do you have your concentration of acid?
Oh, my book isn't in my bag because I was
Did you?
packing it.
Did you calculate your concentration of acid?
The concentration of acid, it was given to us, and then I.
Nope.
And then I calculated it, and then it ended up being the same thing that was given.
Oh, that might be true, but you have to calculate it from your mass. It'll have different sig figs too.
What do you mean from our mass?
The mass that you weighed out.
We had
Yeah, we
1.5.
had exactly.
But when you calculate it, you get 0.75. So when you go backwards calc, I think you get it very slightly, like it should come to 0.501 or something.
What are you talking about? No, we got 1.58, and when we did the calculation, we got 1.58.
Grams.
Yeah.
What's the concentration?
It was
0.05.
0.05.
Yeah, I think it comes out to 0.0501 or something, if you work backwards. But yeah, you should get 0.05. So if you use that, you will get a different.
We did.
What are you talking about?
If you use 0.05, you shouldn't get 3.4 for
Wait,
your.
load the calculations.
Where are you seeing 3.4 right now? Oh, 3. Yeah, okay.
If you take your volume,
Oh, my book is in my.
what is the volume of acid you added to the flask?
25.95.
No. That is the volume of base you added.
20 milliliters, 25 milliliters.
25 milliliters, exactly. Yep.
Yeah, and when we do the 1.5 and we calculate it with that, we still get 0.05.
No, I'm talking about part two. Assuming you use 0.05, you take your acid, multiply it by the 0.025 milliliters.
We asked Miss Carol if we were stupid, and she said we weren't, so I don't know.
Tables, you're late. And you went to get a drink first. I don't even know if I should talk to you.
Okay,
Tables,
but there was literally
tables.
4 of us in here, so.
Yes.
He's late, but he's here.
But I'll bet this is the only classroom this morning people are lining up to get in. Because I'm forcing them to.
So then
If
we
you
get.
ever lock me out of the classroom, I will turn around and walk myself to the health center. I hope you know that. The amount of effort it takes to get here every single day, if there is one thing in my way, I will turn around and go cry with this.
Out of here.
No, this is a warning. Okay, that's not a threat. It's a fair warning.
Where's your calculation concentration?
I couldn't find the concentration.
Not funny, you're supposed to calculate from part two.
So I got to
Yeah, you
0.2.
did part two. So what's the concentration?
I don't understand.
Oh, it's going to
What
be,
do we do? I'm so
wait,
confused.
this.
What did we do before? That's super
Yeah.
It's going to be the
And then
know, I
you
don't
have
know.
to calculate the concentration in part one.
Because it's packed in my.
And then you use
fucking
that in the
suitcase.
ratio to calculate the concentration in part two. Now you can do the titration.
Okay.
And now you're going to need that concentration to calculate things in
What
part
was
three.
the equation?
Yeah.
It's really confusing, but I can do that.
Okay, get inside though. Tables.
I found a small problem.
Yeah?
JV2 has most of the data in Kansas City.
This is why I required you to have all of that yesterday and why I require you to put it in the door. So,
What did it make again?
Where's the recall?
make up the tables. No. You have to at least have the tables. Where is
We've done it with the amount of moles in the 25. You should have probably done it with the amount of
Yeah, I
moles.
got this one.
anybody else here? Oh, genuinely left.
Did you do? Yeah, makes sense.
Is Luke in here today? Do you know if she's left already?
I do not know. Oh, I mean, no, she's supposed to be here.
Yeah, because she's
No,
on the
she's
same
coming.
flight
She's
as
texting me. She said she's
I'm
coming.
gonna turn
She
it
is
on.
late.
I said
She's
hurry
very
up.
late.
Yeah, I said
I got
hurry up.
scared.
Is it?
Because then I was like, am I going to be alone on my flight if she's left alone? She promised she would.
Anyway.
Are you guys both from Augusta?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
For all of those, put away lab, because as long as you have the table, still do lab. Calculate those.
Oh.
Oh, well,
So
thanks.
we were given concentrations last day and formulas.
No, calculate for lab.
Calculate. No, don't calculate lab. Calculate class,
Calculate lab.
because
We know.
class will move on. And let's make it something interesting 0.001000, and the last one 2.23 times 10 to the minus 5.
At some point, and then I think we ignored it.
No, ignore.
Well, that was the problem in the first place.
Yes, but classwork.
This is classwork.
No, that's lab work. Put away lab. Dylan, I will take your phone.
Sorry, I'm texting Luca.
No,
I'm telling her hurry
start doing work on board.
Why are they making us go to school today? It's so mean.
Well,
0.
I could be on the bus somewhere.
How did
if
you get
school
that
was
confused?
I just.
Yesterday and not today. Then you'd be like, why are they making us go to school yesterday? Stop drinking your coffee. Take out notes. Pull out things.
But
Let's
they
go.
just make
Yeah,
us leave
that's
this
the-
morning instead of
And then
yesterday
you divide
afternoon.
it by.
Because I always leave in the morning. I always leave at like 6:45. It's really weird.
Is it 0.1?
Over what time?
Yeah, it should come out to about 0.1.
I got 0.1.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's literally nobody here. This is so
I
If,
don't
with
wanna
your
put my
titration
calculator.
data?
Maybe put
I don't know. I just did this.
I shared it with you.
And I did that.
Yep.
She's here. She's here.
Amazing.
Oh, 0.1.
Table 3. Calculations.
I haven't finished them yet. I did them on my notebook. They're on the
Okay.
notebook.
Well, you have table.
Where is everyone?
Get here. They're gone. Like we're like the only ones here.
Well, Eric and Nick despawned.
This
They
is
were here
so
earlier.
embarrassing for us. Why are we the only ones here?
And then you said the back.
Okay. Grab a partner. Do these on the
Like I
board.
already left.
I love you.
We got it. Wait, we're doing them on the board.
Do those on the board.
The man.
No.
Grab partner. Do those on the board.
Grab them.
Come on, Boo. Let's go.
Grab partner. Do those on the board.
Partner.
I
Partner.
just Sophia already. She saw me walking her bus days from her bus.
Okay.
She said she
What are
saw
we
me,
doing?
but I told her not to try to
Calculating.
find her.
Calculating.
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 Oh,
Dun, dun, dun.
how do we do that?
Calculate the pH. What's the concentration of H plus?
I'm just gonna write down the questions.
What is that?
Okay, so this is 1 to the negative, so it's just 1. So then this one is 1 to the
A is 10 equals 1.
Tables.
Oh.
6. So it's just 1 to negative 6.
pH for one?
Yeah.
My brain isn't working today.
100
I'm just putting
Yeah.
Yeah,
Try to sneak in.
I think so. Yeah, I think you're right.
It's like when you get the
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. 6, you said?
yeah, so it'd be negative 6.
Oh, you calculate them individually for each one and then average them together?
Yeah, because
Oh.
they were all
Zeros,
like a
I
tiny
think
bit
it's
different. I didn't get any of the same ones, the exact same ones.
You're
This is
okay. Where's table 3?
oh tape. I haven't done that.
That's
I should do that on my spreadsheet. Oh,
That's the part. That's the part you have to have to walk in here, because otherwise you can't do the lab.
no, because I write them down like this. Like here. Because I write everything down like this, and then I just put it into the table on my
Go,
computer.
go make table.
Oh, I don't like to take my
What do you think in A? Is that standing up there?
Okay, can I put it here? Because I don't really have anything to put my
You
laptop
have to
on.
go join in A. I didn't let him come in here.
Okay. I'll stay out here, but I'll put my laptop.
But then this one, it's not 1, so just
I would say no, but it looks interesting.
I can't really put my laptop on this thing out there. So why'd you connect to my laptop? I'm just stupid. Okay.
Negative 6. What?
they're all negative, remember? Unless it,
Dun, dun, dun.
Everyone in meetings, so. Oh yeah, you're right. You're so.
oh, so you like divide it, so 7 divided by.
Where?
Are we just counting zeros?
Wait, what if something positive?
But for D, it's different.
Have you made up your table?
So be positive.
go join Teddy. And then calculate the concentration of H plus.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's. Well, let's just skip that one. Yeah.
You do? Okay.
I'm just gonna be like, we're still doing that. I'm just saying.
It started, it was late. Someone told me class starts at 45.
It starts at 8:30, buddy.
It was on my school.
No.
I don't check my school. My school takes too long to open.
Nice.
It's fair.
Yeah, it does.
Nice.
Kind of charge these
Oh.
again.
It takes
It's
so long.
been
It's
so
too long.
glitchy lately.
I just have it connected to my calendar on my phone, but then when things change, I don't see them because it doesn't update.
I know,
Oh,
yeah,
it
that
should
should be 2
update.
weeks.
Yeah.
Mine
Yeah, like
updates.
Google Calendar won't update with stuff.
Yeah.
Does yours
Calendar?
update?
Does
I feel like
yours
you
update?
never
I
know
have
what's
today's
going
classes
on.
on here, and it's Google Calendar.
Oh, Google
Okay, but
Calendar.
how
Oh, yeah.
accuracy does
I
something?
have
You
the-
never
I
know
have
what's
the
going
Apple
on.
Oh my god.
So,
Yeah, that's not because I don't have a Google Calendar. That's because I'm not looking at it.
oh, okay.
I know, I was spamming.
Okay,
I
what
was
do we
like,
got?
This bitch literally texted me now. She's like, I'll respond.
I sent you that. No, I know.
I know, I was so confused. I was like, no, you're like, good morning, and I'm like, good morning. Do you want to go to Rusty's? And then I like, called you 5 times.
What's the answer to the first one?
One.
No.
-1.
Negative one.
Sorry.
Excellent.
I literally.
-1. What's the answer to the second one? -6. Nice. Chloe, what's the answer to the third one?
Four.
4. Dylan? D?
-3.
No.
Positive 3?
No, it's going to be near -3, but you have 1.78. You have to use your calculator. Calculator to the right number of sig figs.
Oh, like 3.0001
Excellent.
and 3.0.
No, you get out your calculator. You can't do
What do
this.
you
You have-
divide it by?
You don't divide it by anything. You use the log function.
We do the negative log of 1.78 times the -3.
Which one?
Has H15.
What-
That's math.
Okay, stop that.
Oh, it's right there.
Can you do it?
I think I did that a couple days ago too.
Negative log. Wait. The negative log.
Oh, dude, should I go get water?
What?
Yeah, but those are.
Negative
You-
3.25.
Come on, stop chop. You're supposed to be doing calculations.
Oh, yeah. I'll
Let's
be
go.
back.
Run,
Negative
run.
3.25. Yeah. Negative 3.25.
-3.25.
Should be out. I think, unless I calculated it.
Any more decimals than that?
0, but
Negative 3.2504200000.
0. Excellent.
Oh.
How many sig figs does this number have?
Wait, how did you get that?
3.
2.
And how many sig figs does this number have?
Delete one.
I thought you were supposed to take it out.
Yeah, you're supposed to like delete the first one or something.
For this one.
Means you do
Oh,
negative log
3.
times the
So
pH.
this has 3,
That's 3. The next one is 3.
and that has 3 sig
You
figs.
do negative log times like the negative 3 times by the pH. Wait, you on the water log bus? Yeah. Or the other?
I don't know how to
I don't know what it's called.
What's E?
I don't know
Oh,
either.
it's because it's negative because when you do
3.
what's the negative because those are large numbers.
Not to the airport.
And Dylan, what's 4? F.
4 at
No,
5?
5.
You know it should be around 5, but you already know it's not 5.
It's a
Wait.
full number. There's no decimal.
The negative log.
That is a number, a real number.
233.
Oh, there's no decimal.
2.23. It doesn't even matter if there's no decimal. If it was 223 times 10 minus 5, it'd still be
Is it
something.
2.23?
Yep.
Negative
There's literally no point there, Mr. Eagle.
Right there. What is it?
Negative 0.34. That can't be right.
That can't be right.
What? Oh, then my other one's wrong too because I just put negative log.
No, that one's right because that is like around that number, but it should be.
I know, but I did the same.
I wasn't changing the number.
No, it's just making it work.
Just making it easier to see.
The negative log. Wait, do I need to do that formula where it's like
the log base divided by the log.
I don't even know what you're talking about. You're
They
hallucinating
changed
now.
the base there.
Just
No,
take
I-
just take the log of 2.23 times 10 to the minus 5. What is the log of 2.23?
4.6516951337.
4.652.
169. Oh.
How many sig figs is that?
That's 3.
And how many is that?
3.
There you go. That's 3.
Yeah.
Now take those pHs and turn them into concentrations. And remember, if there's a decimal, you can't just do it in your head. You've got to actually throw it into your calculator. Unless you can do it in your head, which would be amazing. We go till 9:40. I should probably put in the attendance. Hey, Ashwan. Take the pH is written over here and calculate the concentration of H plus.
Okay.
What is the formula to get it from pH? What is that called?
The log thingy?
Yeah, so what's the opposite of a log?
Exponent.
Anti-log?
Exponent. Or 10 to the x, the anti-log.
Oh, right.
Anti-log.
Yeah.
Oh,
So the first
I
one
do actually know how to do that.
1 times 10 to the
And attendance, we've got
Well, hold on, let me write some out.
Chloe's here, Lucas here, Felix is not here. Nicholas is not here. Eric is not here.
So it's 10 to the power of the
Renee is here,
pHs.
Eshwan is here, Luce is not here. And Teddy's here, James Winkle is not here.
Wait, is that top one 6.0 or 6?
6.0.
I got 1 times 10 to the negative 60.
What? I got a million. Wait, how
No,
do you?
it's,
What?
How did you type it in? Because I just do.
probably did it.
Can I see?
Because I remember I was typing it in
I
wrong.
pressed like the 10, like this button, and then I just
Yeah,
put
I did that
60.
too. 10, and then I did 6. It's 6.0. Not 60. I got a million.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a million.
okay, I think it's 6.
I think it's a million.
Yeah, it's 6.0, not 60.
But like, this one had a million, and then we got negative 6. So like that can't be right. Is it negative a million?
So
I don't know.
Did you say a negative a million?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm really confused.
Nice to meet you, really confused.
There's no way I'm right. Wait.
let's just try. I also love this like tiny little class. This is perfect.
I know. I wish Ken was always like this. I could get so much more done. Oh, it's the negative pH. Damn it. 10 to the negative 6.
Yeah, it should be negative.
Okay, I did this one negative.
This entire thing is right there.
Negative 6 is. I'm gonna just go past it. Put a 6 one. Right here. Can I put it? Did you do this one? Yeah.
This one was good. So I'll do that.
Does anybody know what house Felix is in?
Oh, well.
So that would be Blake, Mr. Gage, and Ms.
Well, he
Ramsey.
was last night.
Yeah, but it's not on my school, so I'm required to email regardless. Do you know what house Nicholas is in?
Ellis.
So Mr. Rismer and Mr. Barrett. How about Eric?
Ellis.
Ellis. Luce?
Mac.
Allard.
Allard.
Oh. Okay, we're
Luce is
stupid.
Allard?
I think Allard, and I don't think they're here because they said, hey, I'm not going to be here for the lab. And they weren't here last class.
didn't know Luce was an Allard. She's so nice. They're so nice.
I literally saw Luce yesterday in England.
Okay. What is this? Can you put it in scientific presentation, my guy?
Okay.
What the hell? Okay, I'm not writing pH equals anymore. That's stupid.
What about? Don't hallucinate, Mr. Neufeld. 850. Okay. First one should have been very easy. What do you got? 1 times 10 to the minus 6. 1 times 10 to the minus 6. 2. 1 times 0 times 10 to the minus 6. Excellent. So for all the ones that don't have a number after it, yes, you can just put it up and change the sign. And that one,
I said 1 to 6 again.
oh, it's because I'm hallucinating slightly.
Did you know?
Any particular reason?
Oh yeah, I have whatever fever and cold is going around.
Oh shit. What?
pH 0.0. What do you have for C there, Bill? What do you have for C?
Oh, I have 1.0.
Good.
Thank you.
To the right sig figs. Well done. 7.4.
Second function, negatives.
What do you have?
Orange.
It is D for 2D. What does it say? 4.0 times 10 minus 6? That looks about right.
I got something different. I got 3.90.
Oh yeah, we got that too.
Yeah.
3.90.
Yeah.
I think mine is right.
Don't we need one extra sig fig?
You do need one extra. This is, well, how many sig figs is this?
2.
How much is this?
1.
1. You were wrong on both counts. How many sig figs is this?
2.
No.
What? 1.
1. So how much
Oh,
is
I
it?
see. And
So
that's what
this
I
actually gets
Okay.
gets all the way down to there.
Oh, there's people at the
Look
door.
at me, I'm not okay.
I've already marked you absent.
So
What is going
What?
on? Why is
You left. And then and we're here. The classroom didn't start till 8:30. What do you mean what?
I thought Eric was such an angel, he never showed.
No,
What?
they showed up at 8:15. Nobody was.
What do you mean there
here.
wasn't an email?
classes though? They're like close.
All classes don't start till 8:30.
So they
It's on your my school.
No, they
Check.
came at.
Anyway, all of you have your table there.
starting at
they
I
came
literally
at
just
8:15.
marked you absent. I thought you were joking. You ran to
Everyone wants
go
keep
to
going
a bus.
live.
We're calculating pH from that, and 10 to the x there. What is E then? Four,
10 to the negative 10?
say it again.
4.0
4 point.
Oh, sorry.
is another one.
4.0
4.07 times 10 to the negative, or 10.
times 10 to the negative 10.
Yeah.
Okay. And last one,
No, 4.07.
Echelon.
Yeah.
Last one.
We got
3.65.
okay.
Is the pH? Yes. Calculate the concentration.
Oh, I haven't done that yet.
Go.
Oh, is it like the 2.2 times 10 to the minus 4?
Yeah, that'd probably work.
Okay.
2 point.
2 times 10 to the minus 4.
Why is this so ugly?
So, for these,
It's gross.
you can take the number there and just make it 10 to the minus, 10 to the minus, and you'll get close, so you can ballpark it in your head. But if they have numbers other than 1, so 1, 6, like whole numbers, you can just pop it in. If you just have 1 and zeros, you can just do it in your head. But if you have actual numbers, you have to put it into your calculator and figure out what it is, unless you've memorized the log tables. Okay, out to the lab. Let's go. To the lab. Bring your tables.
Like I actually
Concentration.
I cannot do this.
Titrations. Set up, same as last day.
Can we just use this time to like finish our other ones? We didn't get enough time.
Yeah, we did it.
If you go fast, but you're gonna want it.
We did 2 good ones. The other 2 were like garbage.
Dylan, do this one, and if you do it quickly, you can use the time, extra time. to do it.
Oh, I need to pull up.
Let's just have 2 garbage ones. We can have a good.
They just see me staring at them. All I can get is the one.
And I'll stop the recorder because we're now starting the live.